Assalamu alaikum, welcome to the fourth video lecture of 4th class English. We will be doing today present indefinite tenses. Now, for the recognition of these sentences when they are given in Urdu or when you have to translate them into English, they will end with ta hai, ti hai, te hain, वगैरह. Now, the principle for translating these sentences into English in present indefinite tense, root form of verb is followed by ses in case of third person singular. In case of interrogative sentences, do or does not is involved in the very first beginning of the sentence. In negative sentences, not is used with do or does not. And for the proper usage of s or es, with iv, they, you, we can no s or es will be used with the first form of verb, like in the example I do not play. Now the sentence starts with I, so we will not use es, so only do will be used, but s or es will be used when he, she or it are involved, like he likes to play. Now I have solved the very first sentence from your given homework here on the board, like मैं school जाता हूँ, I go to school. And for the negative sentences, I do not go to school. I haven't actually written school here. Give me time. Go to school. So you have to solve all the other sentences which are given on the summer vacation homework files, like here. I think there are 7 of them. The first of them is solved on the board. Solve the other ones on your neat notebooks. Until next video, Allah Hafiz.